It's live, it's honest, it's interactive, and above all, it's content driven. Hello everybody, my name is James, and I'm here today to teach you how to OOOOO. So the first question you're probably asking, what is OOOOO? OOOOO is a new way to shop. This is live e-commerce. So basically, it is a collection of short videos and live videos where we get to talk to an audience, they get to interact, and they get to buy directly from those videos. You don't have to go anywhere, no affiliate links. You can do it all from the one video. Now you're probably thinking the name. Where's the name come from? OOOOO. This is the universal sound of someone opening a parcel to find something in it that brings them joy. But how you say it is totally up to you. I go, ooh. But other pronunciations include, ooh, oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Eh? However you want to say it, we don't mind as long as you know that it is 5 O's. So OOOOO is a live e-commerce shopping community. It's telly shopping without the telly. And it's 100% mobile. We've all got one of these and now we can shop through OOOOO. So the app itself is split into a couple of different sections. The first section being a shop. You can shop on the app 24/7 with some amazing brands. Got JD, Boohoo, I Saw It First, and Summers, look fantastic. The second section is the exciting bit, the live shows. So these amazing brands will work collaboratively with us here at OOOOO to create live shows. When one goes live, you get a ping on your phone, one tap, and you're in the room with the host. This means you can ask the host questions, you can ask to see different products, and you can get real opinions on products and services directly from your phone, and you can shop it without going anywhere, straight in that same live video. I'm talking the train. You can shop on the bus. You can shop up a mountain if you wanted to. You can shop literally anywhere. I never thought I'd be sat in the bath visiting a beauty counter, but here I am. It's a little bit different to the high street. We've got different rules. You can come in, you can share the video with your mates, you can sit there and I will answer questions that you ask personally to you. You're not going to be bored watching an OOOOO show. You're not going to have to deal with crowds. You're not going to see a little picture and you're going to think, oh, will that dress, will that suit me? You're going to see it on a real person. And the most important thing about an OOOOO show, everything you see is shoppable. There's a little basket in the bottom right-hand corner that has everything that we're talking about in the show. It's got a little photo, a bit of description, but above all, it's got a host. So you can ask questions about those products. And 99% of the time, they're cheaper than in the shops. We're a community. We look out for each other, and us here at OOOOO, we look out for you watching the shows. So to mix things up a little bit, every now and again on a live show, we do something called a wheel. Now this is like a wheel of fortune, if you will, and you spin it on screen, and it lands on a discount. I'm talking £1 to £30 off your order. How amazing is that? Especially if you're feeling lucky. So if you're watching a show and you see something that you think your mate would really like, we've made it super easy to share the live. It's literally one click. You can share it with your mate, they can come in, and if they then share it with another 10 of their mates, they can all come into the room and you can talk amongst yourselves, you can talk with the host, and the more people we have in the show, the more likely we are to do a wheel. Here at OOOOO, we love free stuff because who doesn't love a freebie? Now, we're also a community, we share. So on the home page of the app, in the top right-hand corner, you'll see a little box. That's one of our lucky boxes. If you click that, there's a little share button. If you share with 5 friends and they download the app, you'll get one of these. This is one of our lucky boxes, carefully hand-packed by yours truly. A present from me to you from OOOOO. So we've sent you this for free, for sharing, as a thank you from us. But what's in the box? Well, I'm going to show you. Oh, shredded tissue. So in here, you've got a selection from some of your favorite brands. Skincare, tan, body care, maybe even a shampoo. And you get all of this free stuff just from sharing one link. But we want to see your lucky boxes. So make a TikTok, get it up on Instagram, share it more, broaden the community, because there's no limit on these. So for every single 5 people that download the app from your link, we'll send you another one. And that is how the lucky box works. Thank you, and thank you. Want to hear something cool? You can not only shop on OOOOO, but you can also make money on OOOOO. You can become a creator. If you love one of the products that's on the app, maybe it's changed your life and you want to share that with the world. Create and post an engaging video and watch the money roll in. So when you become a creator, your profile will show you your following, your followers, how many likes you've received, the amount of money you've made, and there's a little sheriff's badge by your name. That means you're verified. We trust you. Another way to make money on OOOOO is to simply share your unique link. When people click this link from your social media channels and download the app, you get £1. It adds up. 100 followers, £100. This is OOOOO, and it's very exciting. So that's OOOOO. If you haven't done already, download the app, have a little nosy, and I'll see you on one of our live shows. Bye.